mod is short for modification. They are upgrades that can help you get ahead in certain situations. You can equip a mod right after choosing your car when you start a race.
Other cars want to join the race.
Each one comes with cool new abilities and awesome track features.
Car mods. We love them, right, Bob?
Sure do, Clint. Each one can make or break a race. Study your track and choose wisely.
Or just pick the most fun one.